Is the gut microbiome linked to OCD symptoms? Imagine your gut as a bustling city filled with tiny inhabitants working together. Recent research suggests that this microscopic community might influence more than just digestion. It could play a role in mental health conditions like obsessive-compulsive disorder. Studies have shown that people with OCD often have different gut bacteria compared to those without the disorder. This imbalance, called dysbiosis, involves fewer types of bacteria and shifts in their abundance. Scientists believe that this imbalance might affect the brain through a communication pathway known as the Microbiota gut-brain axis. This system allows the gut and brain to send signals back and forth. Changes in gut bacteria can influence immune responses, inflammation, and neurotransmitter levels. For example, serotonin, a chemical involved in mood and anxiety, is affected by gut bacteria. When the gut is inflamed or imbalanced, it might increase the permeability of the blood-brain barrier, letting inflammatory molecules reach the brain and potentially impact OCD symptoms. Certain bacteria might even influence whether someone is more or less likely to develop OCD. Factors like stress, antibiotics, or infections can disturb the gut's microbial balance. For instance, pediatric autoimmune neuropsychiatric disorders associated with streptococcal infections, known as PANS or PANDAS, show how immune responses to infections can suddenly trigger OCD-like behaviors. These cases hint at a link between immune activity, the microbiome, and OCD symptoms. While this is an exciting area of research, it is still emerging. The current evidence mainly shows a correlation and plausible biological pathways, but it does not prove that gut bacteria directly cause OCD. Researchers are exploring whether modifying the gut microbiome through diet, probiotics, or other complementary therapies could help manage symptoms. However, these approaches should never replace standard treatments like therapy or medication. Always consult healthcare professionals before trying any new interventions. In the context of medication management and advanced treatments for OCD, understanding the gut microbiome offers a promising avenue for future therapies. It might help improve overall well-being and symptom control, but more rigorous studies are needed to determine safe and effective ways to incorporate microbiome-focused strategies alongside existing treatments. To sum up, people with OCD often show differences in their gut bacteria compared to healthy individuals. These differences may influence symptoms through inflammation, immune responses, and neurotransmitter changes. Disruptions caused by stress, antibiotics, or infections might also play a role in triggering or worsening OCD. While targeting the microbiome with diet or probiotics is being studied, it is important to remember these are supplementary options that requiring professional guidance. Always seek advice from healthcare providers to ensure safe and personalized care. This evolving research highlights the complex connection between our gut and brain and opens new doors for understanding and managing OCD in the future.